Another thing we need to do is get roster data so we can start, by position building out our models. But to build those models, we first need to get the data per player by position. One thing that this NFL data py has is a lot of functions here. So we've already got the play-by-play data, and then there is some roster data. Let's see here, import seasonal rosters. So we'll go ahead and grab the data using that function. Let's see here, NFL import seasonal rosters, and seasonal. Oops. Seasonal. What did I do wrong? Let's try this again. Okay, there we go. All right, so it needs years. We can also select columns. So we'll do years equals, and we'll just do a range of years from 2019 through 2024. So we got to put one extra, not minus. We'll call that rosters. All right, that looks good. So we'll get the rosters. We'll make sure it looks okay. Looks good. And yeah, we're actually getting all the way through this coming up season's data. So we've got the rosters. We need to save it to a CSV file so we can import it. So we'll do rosters to CSV. Last time we had to put it into user files. Here we go, and we'll call it rosters.csv. Rosters. All right. Now we need to pull that into our Clickhouse database. Command create table, call it seasonal roster. Engine equals merge tree order by nothing for now, as select star from file, and we called that file rosters.csv. As a header, CSV with names. Close this out. Hopefully that worked. Make sure it works. Worked. So df equals ch query df select star from, whoops, what did we call it? Seasonal roster. All right, so we'll start off, when we do our modeling, I'm going to start off with running backs, and which is a position here. So I'll say where position equals RB, change this to RB, and we want to make sure that we have a key, a foreign key of some sort between this rosters database and our play-by-play. So I'll grab the top running back here, Frank Gore. We'll get his player ID. So then I want to make sure we can pull his data from the play-by-play. So we'll say df equals ch query df select star from play-by-play where I think it was rush or rusher ID equals. And if this works, we will have Frank Gore data. And I believe that worked. Yeah. Let's see, go over to the player data. We got to work on these columns. But if we make it over to the play data, is this it? No, weather. That is very wide data. All right, here we go. Frank Gore, name, fantasy ID. This looks great. Nice.